What is MUN? There is this organization called the United Nations, and you have probably heard of it. In the United Nations, or the UN for short, all the countries worldwide gather to discuss and solve global problems. When I say countries gather together, I mean one representative from each country attends the meetings on their country's behalf. Because of course, the whole country can't be there. This representative is sent to the UN by their respective countries' governments, and they are called delegates. So what is Model United Nations? It is a model of the real United Nations, or shall I say, a simulation of the real United Nations. In a MUN conference, you will be a delegate who represents a country. Just like the real delegates from the UN, you will debate, discuss, and form solutions to specific global problems while representing your country in your committee. Wait, what's a committee? Well, there are thousands of different and diverse problems in the world, and the UN wants to solve all of them for the benefit of every global citizen like you and me. Hence, the UN is divided into multiple committees, each of which specializes in dealing with specific types of problems. For instance, the United Nations Environment Programme, or UNEP for short, is a UN committee that discusses issues related to the environment, like climate change. On the other hand, the Security Council is a committee that specializes in dealing with problems relating to global security, such as the Ukraine-Russia war. Similarly, a MUN conference has multiple different committees that each discuss specific issues, just like the UN. If you would like to know the committees of the MUN conference you are attending, make sure to ask its organizers. Okay, now how does debating, discussing, and problem solving occur in a MUN conference? Well, debating in a MUN conference is very different from the generic debates you've participated in school or watched on TV. MUN debates follow strict and unique procedures to ensure disciplined, peaceful, and most importantly, constructive debate. These rules and regulations are in place to ensure that everyone's opinion is heard and considered. Moreover, unlike generic debates, MUN does not follow the team versus team philosophy. Delegates don't battle each other in a MUN. They collaborate with each other to find a common and inclusive solution to the issue being discussed. Most of the rules have been inspired by the original rules and procedures of the United Nations. You will learn about the rules and procedures of a MUN conference in future videos. At the end of the day, the goal of the delegates in a MUN conference is to come up with this special and detailed document that we call the resolution. We will learn in detail about the resolution in a future video. But for now, the resolution is a document that comprehensively includes all the framed solutions to the issue being discussed. Through the course of a MUN conference, delegates go through, as stated earlier, a strict and disciplined debate that's governed by special rules and procedures, discussions, and above all, collaboration. To summarize, MUN is a simulation of the real United Nations, in which you will be delegates who represent some country in a specific committee. As a delegate, you will engage in a unique kind of debate and discussion to find the best solutions to the problem being discussed through the writing of the special document called resolution.